Hey there, runners! Are you ready to take your performance to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you the best running shoes on the market that will not only boost your speed but also keep your feet comfortable and supported throughout every mile. Whether you're a casual jogger or a marathon pro, these shoes have been carefully chosen for their comfort, durability, and style. And the best part? I've got some exclusive deals linked below so you can grab your perfect pair at an unbeatable price. So, stay tuned, hit that like button, and let's find the perfect fit for you. And remember, all the links to these amazing shoes are in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Autper Mens Air athletic running tennis shoes are the perfect blend of comfort, style, and performance. These lightweight sneakers are designed with a breathable knit upper, ensuring your feet stay cool and dry, even during the most intense workouts. The Air cushion design offers exceptional cushioning, supporting your feet and protecting your knees, making them ideal for running, jogging, or any high-impact activity. The NonSlip sole, made from ultra-light natural rubber, features flexible grooves that enhance grip and stability on all surfaces, ensuring a safe stride no matter the terrain. With a lace-up closure for a secure, customizable fit, these shoes are easy to slip on and off. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just enjoying a casual walk, the Autper Mens Air athletic shoes are a versatile choice that caters to all your fitness needs. Perfect for running, jogging, cross-training, cycling, and more, these shoes are designed to keep you active, comfortable, and supported throughout the day. If you're searching for the best running shoes that combine style, functionality, and durability, these athletic sneakers are the perfect fit. Number 4. New Balance Men's DynaSoft Nitrel V5 Trail Running Shoe is designed for athletes who want the perfect balance of performance and comfort, whether running on trails or on roads. The innovative DynaSoft midsole foam provides ultra-responsive performance with plush cushioning, making every step feel effortless. With approximately 3% bio-based content, it's not only designed for comfort but also for sustainability, helping reduce your carbon footprint. The engineered mesh upper ensures breathability, keeping your feet cool and dry even during long runs. Plus, the Moso overlays deliver a sleek, snug fit that enhances comfort without unnecessary bulk. For added comfort, an EVA foam insert is included, offering extra cushioning where you need it most. The versatile AT tread outsole is perfect for both on- and off-road activities, providing reliable traction on all surfaces. If you're looking for the best running shoes that combine durability, comfort, and eco-friendly design, the New Balance DynaSoft Nitrel V5 is an excellent choice. Whether you're hitting the trails or running errands, these shoes are built to perform and keep your feet feeling great. Number 3. Nike Men's Lowtop running shoe is designed to elevate your running experience, offering both style and performance. With a unique waffle-inspired pattern, it provides exceptional traction, ensuring stability and grip on various road surfaces. Whether you're running on smooth pavements or tackling uneven paths, these shoes deliver the necessary support. The extra flex groove in the sole ensures a smooth and responsive toe-off, enhancing your stride for a more comfortable run. The 10mm heel-to-toe drop adds to the shoe's overall cushioning and comfort, making it perfect for long-distance runs. Lightweight and breathable, these shoes keep your feet cool and comfortable during every workout. Please note, they are not intended for use as personal protective equipment, PPE, but for optimal running performance. Ideal for athletes seeking the best running shoes, these Nike sneakers combine functionality with sleek design, making them a must-have for any runner. If you're looking for a running shoe that supports your pace and gives you the confidence to go the extra mile, the Nike Men's Lowtop running shoe is a fantastic choice. Number 2. MOZO Men's NonSlip City Runner running shoe is the ultimate choice for runners who need comfort and durability on the go. Featuring a superior SFC slip-resistant outsole with TripGuard technology, these shoes provide exceptional traction, ensuring stability on various surfaces. Whether you're running on wet or dry terrain, the water-resistant and spill-resistant textile upper keeps your feet dry and protected. The non-removable built-in insole offers responsive cushioning with mold heel cups, giving you support where you need it most. Plus, the EVA-infused midsole ensures all-day comfort, making these shoes perfect for long runs or extended wear. With heel pull loops for easy on and off, The MOZO Men's Non-Slip City Runner running shoe delivers everything you need in a running shoe: comfort, style, and functionality. Ideal for anyone seeking the best running shoes, these shoes will elevate your performance while keeping your feet supported and dry. Perfect for daily runs, gym workouts, or just casual outings, they are versatile and designed to meet your active lifestyle's demands. Don't miss out on the perfect pair for your next run. Number 1. Brooks MensAdrenaline GTS 23 is a top choice for runners who seek both support and comfort on their runs. Designed with the innovative Nitrel's holistic support system, this shoe helps align your body's natural motion while minimizing unnecessary movement, ensuring a smooth, stable ride. The new DynaSoft V2 cushioning in the midsole provides soft, lightweight comfort, giving you a plush feel with every step. Featuring an enhanced engineered air mesh upper, the Adrenaline GTS 23 offers superior breathability and comfort, while the 3D Fitprint technology ensures a secure and structured fit. This shoe is certified as a PDAC A5500 diabetic shoe and holds the APMA seal of acceptance, making it a reliable option for a wide range of runners, including those with specific foot health needs. Whether you're training for a marathon or simply going for a jog, the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 23 provides the support, cushioning, and trusted fit you need. Perfect for those searching for the best running shoes, this model offers a combination of advanced features that make it a must-have for every runner. In conclusion, choosing the best running shoes is all about finding the right fit, support, and comfort for your unique needs. Whether you're a casual jogger or a seasoned marathon runner, the right shoes can make all the difference. We hope this guide helps you pick the perfect pair for your running goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite running shoes or any questions you have. And share this video with your fellow runners. Stay tuned for more tips and reviews.